Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make an unverified GCash balance transfer to verified. So let's start. First, open your GCash application and log into your account. On this home page, tap on this View All Services. Here, tap on this QR icon. Then, select Upload QR. Now, choose the QR code of the account that you want to pay or send money. Here, enter the amount that you want to send. After that, tap on Next. On this page, you will see the overview of your transaction. Review to ensure that the details are correct. After reviewing, confirm by tapping on this box. And then, tap on Send. After that, you now have successfully made an unverified balance transfer to verified. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!